are providing you the tools, they are providing you the algorithm, they are providing you the interface, a graphical interface through which we can deploy, we can build the machine learning model. So, moving on, just to give you a basic idea why the companies or the enterprises are moving on to the cloud. So these are very fundamental. These are some concepts which everyone should know, that what is the advantage of moving on to the cloud. So the very first is scalability on demand, cost efficiency, managed services, comprehensive ecosystem, etc. This is very fundamental. I will move on with the topic, that is the ML or machine learning project or machine learning, building a machine learning model. AWS provides you certain platform, certain services like SageMaker. It provides you Bedrock, a platform. It also provides you certain built-in models using which we can deploy our own machine learning product. So, this is the very fundamental life cycle of any machine learning project. Or if you need to create a machine learning model for a particular problem statement on a particular domain,